Hi there, welcome back. This is Weblan. I want us to look at this grade 8 and 9 concept, total surface area. You remember when we were talking about area, we were talking about how big a flat surface is. But this time we are looking at area of a 3D object, and these 3D objects have got a number of faces. So total surface area is how big the surfaces are when you have combined them, right? So we have a generic formula that we use in calculating total surface area. Is the total surface area is equal to 2 multiplied by the area of the base plus perimeter of the base multiplied by the height. So I have drawn the 3D objects here. The first one is a rectangular prism. The one I'm referring to as the base is the one that is shaded here. So I have my base here and it has an identical face here. So it's two of them. That's why we are saying 2 multiplied by the area of the base is referring to these ones. And then perimeter of the base, we are talking about when we add all these, the distances of these 4 sides, and then multiply by the height here. Now substituting into that formula, we are saying TSA here is equal to 2 multiplied by our base here. Area of our base is length times breadth, that is 4 times 5, and then plus perimeter of that base we are adding, that is 4 plus 5 plus 4 plus 5. This is our perimeter, 4 plus 5 plus 4 plus 5, and then multiply by the height, that is times 11. And then you go to your calculator. That one is going to give you 238 square centimeters. Remember, area is measured in square units. That is the first one. We are using the same formula for all these shapes that we have here. Total surface area is equal to 2 multiplied by the area of the base plus perimeter of the base. This time our base is a triangle. Perimeter of the base multiplied by the height. My height here for this one is 11.5 centimeters, right? So my total surface area here, total surface area is equal to 2 multiplied by area of the base here is a triangle, so it's half, times base times height. Let me put it in brackets there. That is 2 times area of the base plus our perimeter here we have A plus B plus C, that is the 3 sides of the triangle, and then multiplied by height. Please take note here, the height for this triangle, the perpendicular height here, I'm using the small letter, and then the height for this one I'm using the capital letter H. Now on our triangle we are given the base and the perpendicular height, but we are going to need the third side here, so we make use of Pythagoras theorem. Here it is. We make use of Pythagoras theorem to determine the hypotenuse there. In this case it is 10 centimeters. Now let's substitute. Now this is equal to 2 times 1 over 2 times our base is 8, our perpendicular height is 6 there, and then plus add those 3, that is 10 plus 8 plus 6, and then multiplied by the height there, that is 11,5. And this one gives us 324 square centimeters. And then let's go to the last one. It's a cylinder. The cylinder has a radius of 5 centimeters. The cylinder has a radius of 5 centimeters. We are still using the same formula. Total surface area is equal to 2 multiplied by the area of the base plus perimeter of the base multiplied by height. Now, let me rewrite the formula here. Total surface area is equal to 2 multiplied by area of the base. This time our base is a circle, so area of a circle is pi times radius squared, and then plus perimeter of the base. Our base is a circle, so perimeter of a circle is equal to its circumference. It has a special name. Its circumference is equal to 2 times pi times radius, which is the same as pi times the diameter. Remember, 2 multiplied by radius, it gives you the diameter. So it depends on what you are given. You can use the one with radius if you are given radius, or if you are given the diameter, you can just say pi times the diameter. So perimeter of the base there, that's our circumference, that is 2 times pi times radius, and then the perimeter is now multiplied by the capital letter height, so times your height there. That is our formula, and then substituting into the formula there is 2 times pi times your radius is 5, so it's 5 squared plus 2 times pi times your radius is 5 multiplied by your height is 10 centimeters here, so that is times 10 centimeters. And on your calculator, this is going to give us 471.24 square centimeters. This is how we calculate total surface area of a 3D object. A prism is 2 times area of the base plus perimeter of the base times the height. So that is the generic formula. You just have to know the base, what type of a shape is it. If it is a rectangle, it's length times breadth, and then the perimeter will be 2 times length plus 2 times breadth. That is your perimeter. If it is a triangle, then the base area of the base will be half times base times perpendicular height, and then the perimeter is adding those 3. And then if it is a circle, your base area of a base is half base times height, and then the perimeter of the base there, if it's a circle, is your circumference, that is 2 times pi times r. And then I encourage you to use this pi. Of course, sometimes you are given the value of pi to be 3.142, and if it is stated, if there is instruction that says use that one, then use it. But if there is no instruction that is given, you can just use this one, and then you get it on your calculator, the one that has not been rounded off to the nearest 3 decimal places. That one is more accurate. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing. It is absolutely free.